The land is prepared for construction. A stable surface begins to form.
The journey begins at the edge of the ocean.
The construction zone is defined. The ground is analyzed for stability. Data guides every decision. The land is prepared for construction. A stable surface begins to form. Deep foundations are carved into the ground. The structure begins below the surface. The base layer is laid for strength. The foundation is compressed for durability. Steel adds strength to the foundation. Every connection is secured. The foundation begins to solidify. Precision creates stability. Strength builds layer by layer.
Every detail is perfected.
The base platform begins to rise. The structure becomes unified. The foundation of transformation is complete. Water pathways are carefully planned. The channels for water begin to form.
Construction pushes into the ocean.
Stability is ensured at every step. The lifeline of the plant arrives. The intake system begins to take shape. Sections join into a continuous flow path. Every connection is made secure. The system reaches into the ocean. Filtration begins at the source. The pipelines are secured beneath the ground. The surface returns to stability. The plant structure begins to rise. Each column is locked into place. Frames begin to shape the facility. The structure expands steadily. The plant gains its first levels.
Stability is ensured at every level.
The system that will transform water begins to rise. The core processing zones are defined. Strong bases are prepared for heavy systems. The first filtration tanks arrive. Each unit is carefully positioned. The tanks are locked into the structure. The filtration units rise upward. Every joint is sealed for precision. The inside is prepared for filtration. Flow pathways begin to form. Every connection is secured. Power systems arrive at the plant. Machines connect to the system. The heart of purification is installed. Precision ensures perfect filtration. The system gains intelligence. Every system becomes connected. Systems are protected and enclosed. The system is aligned as one. The system that will purify the ocean begins to take shape. Filtration begins with a strong base layer. The base is shaped for stability. Fine sand captures smaller particles. Precision builds effective filtration. Carbon removes impurities and odors. The second stage is carefully balanced. Each stage connects into a single flow path. The system is sealed for precision flow. Pressure systems prepare for advanced filtration. Flow is powered through the system. The core purification system arrives. The heart of the plant is installed.
Water is prepared for molecular separation.
Every connection is secured for pressure.
Intelligence is added to the system. Every process becomes controlled.
Systems are secured and protected. The system is prepared for operation.
The system that will turn ocean into drinking water is now complete. The system comes to life. Ocean water enters the system. The first stage begins. Large impurities are removed. The second stage begins. Water becomes cleaner at every stage. Pressure builds for the final process. The system reaches full force. The core purification begins.
Salt is removed at the molecular level.
Pure water begins to emerge. Waste is separated from purity. Clean water is collected.
Every drop is monitored.
Quality is verified. The system proves its success. Clean water begins its journey. Production reaches full capacity. Ocean water is now transformed into life. Strong foundations support massive storage. Storage begins beside the plant. Storage units arrive at scale. Each tank is positioned with precision. Storage becomes permanent. Capacity rises with every layer. Clean water finds its path to storage.
The system becomes unified.
Pure water is stored for use.
Every drop is measured.
The journey to the city begins. Pathways are carved across the land. The city is connected to the source. Every connection ensures flow. The system disappears beneath the surface. The land returns to normal. Water travels toward life. The city receives its supply. From ocean to city, water finds its purpose.
Water reaches every building.
Every home becomes part of the system. Clean water enters daily life. Water becomes part of everyday living. Clean water powers daily routines. Comfort becomes constant. The city operates with clean water. Systems support every service. Nature thrives with water. Life flourishes everywhere. Water becomes part of design.
Community grows around water.
Industry depends on clean water. Efficiency drives production.
Water supports life itself.
Cleanliness becomes universal. Water powers the entire city.
Life becomes sustainable.
Clean water transforms everything. The Ocean Water Mega Plant makes this future possible.
Intelligence upgrades the system.
Every system becomes one.
Data controls every drop.
Automation ensures perfection.
The system powers itself.
Energy becomes sustainable.
The system evolves visually.
The system begins to shine. Every drop is protected.
The system repairs itself.
Water becomes a symbol of luxury.
Technology meets experience.
Performance reaches new levels. Capacity expands rapidly. The system thinks and responds. Efficiency becomes effortless. The system transforms at night. The flow never stops. The future of water is now alive. Clean water begins to reach beyond borders. The reach of water expands globally. Water reaches the most difficult places.
Life begins to change.
Water transforms the land. Life returns to the earth.
Communities begin to grow.
Water builds civilizations. Industry follows water. Economies begin to rise. Health and education improve.
African American children and families live healthier lives with reliable water. Quality of life rises.
The solution spreads across the world. A global water network emerges. The ocean becomes a global resource. Water flows across the planet.
Balance is restored.
Humanity thrives together.
From ocean to life, water transforms the world.
Expansion begins beyond the original plant. The system grows beyond limits. The process multiplies across the system. Everything connects as one. Output rises to new levels. The network adapts and grows. The solution spreads across the planet. Water connects the world. The earth begins to heal. Civilization evolves with water. Humanity benefits from innovation. A better future begins. Innovation shines across the horizon. The system never stops. The ocean becomes an endless source. Water flows to every corner. Balance returns to the planet. A new era begins. The future of life flows from the ocean.